Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here we got the ROG Ally. A year after putting in the NVMe adapter, the 90-degree adapter I bought from eBay. I haven't opened it up since, so just want to show you what it looks like now after a year of use, especially if you've thought about doing this for your Ally and have thought about what is, the long-term, consequences this could have on your device. So I already took out the screws here just so we could open it up. The little cover here, I feel like this does nothing, but I just feel like better safe than sorry. A couple things is the battery here had a little smudge here when I got it back from the RMA. I did send my device in to get the SD card reader fixed. Ever since November, I haven't had issues with it one bit. So got that back, put my 90-degree adapter, haven't opened up the device. You can see there's a little plastic support piece here missing on this side right here, because before I used to have the the NVMe coming straight down, so I had to cut part of the support underneath the battery. Some people were worried about the long-term use. I had no issues with it. Then I added the 90-degree adapter. The biggest issue that I have with it, and I haven't had issues with it, but my concern is the power supply cable is right underneath the adapter right here. So you can see the traces go straight underneath it. I did add a little bit of black electrical tape. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's part of it sticking out underneath this. There are no traces from the adapter going underneath here, so I'm not concerned about anything, shorting out whatsoever. But I just don't like the little extra pressure happening right there. Besides that, I haven't, concerns wise, I haven't had any other concerns. This part right here that's pressed down, I think that was already there. I don't remember if it's being pressed from the actual back cover, but I haven't had issues. Even though the APU is right here and the metal heatsink is there, I haven't had issues with this. This is a Gen 3 M.2 drive. It's not as fast as the Gen 4s, but I haven't had issues. Yes, it's a little slower when it comes to installing games, but when you're playing games, it's not gonna make much of a difference. I haven't opened it since. You can see the little dust buildup on the fans right here. I gotta clean that up in a little bit, but this is what the device looks like after having it enclosed for a year. No issues whatsoever. I recommend it. It's a lot cheaper to buy the adapter and buy a 2 terabyte drive. I actually bought one recently for 2 terabytes for $60 on Jawa. Not sponsored, but just saying. And the adapter, I got it for $10 or $15 on eBay, and this is a year ago. So I'm guessing they're more like $10 right now, especially for Black Friday. So if you're thinking about the Ally and getting the extra space, I'd say go for it. The biggest thing I want is a bigger battery, but I do carry around a portable power bank, so that's the trick. Anyways, leave a like. See you all around.